Are you constantly feeling overwhelmed, like you're drowning in a sea of tasks? Do you find yourself always busy, yet never seem to make any real progress on what truly matters? Well, you're caught in the urgency trap, a cycle of reacting to the loudest demands, while neglecting the truly important tasks that drive meaningful results. The good news is there's a way out. It's called the Eisenhower Decision Matrix, a powerful tool for effective time management and decision making. The simple yet profound framework, attributed to President Dwight D. Eisenhower, helps you categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance, allowing you to prioritize effectively and regain control of your time. In this essay, we'll explore the Eisenhower Matrix in detail, understanding its four quadrants and how they can revolutionize your approach to work and life. We'll delve into practical examples of its application in the workplace, demonstrating how this tool can empower you to make conscious choices about where you invest your precious time and energy. Get ready to break free from the tyranny of the urgent and unlock a new level of productivity and fulfillment. Let's embark on this journey to master your time and, in turn, master your life. The Eisenhower Matrix is elegantly simple. It's a 2 by 2 grid that categorizes tasks based on two key criteria: urgency and importance. The vertical axis represents importance, how much value a task adds to your long term goals and objectives. The horizontal axis represents urgency, how immediate the demand for action is. This creates four distinct quadrants, each representing a different approach to task management. 1. Urgent and important. These are tasks that require immediate attention and significantly impact your goals. Think deadlines, crises, and pressing problems. 2. Important, not urgent. This is where long term strategic thinking and planning reside. It includes activities like relationship building, skill development, and proactive problem solving. 3. Urgent, not important. This quadrant is full of distractions disguised as urgent tasks. These are often other people's requests or tasks that could be delegated or eliminated. 4. Not urgent, not important. This is the time wasting quadrant. It includes activities that neither contribute to your goals nor require immediate attention, such as mindless scrolling on social media or watching excessive television. By understanding these four quadrants, we can begin to make conscious decisions about where we focus our time and energy. Let's face it, we all spend some time in Quadrant 1. It's where we deal with crises, meet deadlines, and put out fires. This quadrant represents the reactive mode of operation, where we're forced to respond to external demands and pressures. While some Quadrant 1 tasks are unavoidable, constantly operating in this mode leads to stress, burnout, and a feeling of being constantly overwhelmed. Imagine a doctor in an emergency room. They must prioritize immediate life-saving actions. But if the doctor spends all their time in the ER, they neglect preventative care and long-term patient well-being. The key to managing Quadrant 1 effectively is twofold. First, minimize the number of tasks that end up here through proactive planning and delegation. Second, develop systems and routines to handle urgent tasks efficiently, minimizing their impact on your overall productivity. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate Quadrant 1 entirely, but to prevent it from taking over your life. By mastering the art of prioritizing and delegating, you can create space for the truly important work that resides in Quadrant 2. Quadrant 2 is where the magic happens. This is the realm of long-term thinking, strategic planning, and proactive problem solving. It's about investing time in activities that add real value to your life and work, even if they don't have an immediate deadline. Think about building strong relationships, developing new skills, planning for the future, and taking care of your physical and mental health. These activities are crucial for long-term success and fulfillment, yet they often get pushed aside in the daily hustle. The problem is, Quadrant 2 activities rarely scream for our attention. They don't have the urgency of a deadline or a crisis, so we tend to procrastinate, telling ourselves we'll get to them later. But later often turns into never, and we end up feeling stuck and unfulfilled. The key to unlocking the power of Quadrant 2 is to make it a non-negotiable part of your schedule. Block out time for these activities just like you would for an important meeting. Treat them with the same level of importance and commitment as you would any urgent task.